everyone, today we're going to do a review on this Coca-Cola float and slushy maker. It says that's going to freeze your drink in minutes and turn it into a slushy. So this is what the box looks like. We ordered it off Amazon and we have the cup. You're supposed to take the inside cup and let it freeze overnight. This is like an outside holder cup so it's not cold on your hands. And then when you pour the drink in, you'll just keep stirring it around and it will supposedly turn into a slushy. So we're going to test this out. So here's the cup. It's frozen. We let it freeze overnight. We put it inside of the Coca-Cola cup here on the outside. The outside doesn't feel cold at all. So we're going to take this mango nectar and we're going to go ahead and fill it and see if we can turn this into a smoothie or into a slushy. So it doesn't instantly turn into a slushy. Let's go ahead and scrape the sides down to see if we are starting to get any ice crystals. Polishing down the ice that's forming. There's just a little ice forming, but it's definitely not a slushy yet. See, too watery. Turned into an actual slushy. So let's go give it a try. Alright, so time to try it out. Nice and cold. Like a real slushy from 7-Eleven almost?
Yeah.
So we recommend this. It actually worked. We got it kind of on a chance. We were really hoping it would work, and in our mind we were thinking that, but what if it's a lie? We'll just test it out on Amazon. You can return things pretty easy with them. So we're happy that we don't have to return it, and it worked out. Now we're make soda. Now we can make slushies with all kinds of stuff. But after you do this, you have to freeze your cup again for another hour or two.
It doesn't take ice.
Super ice
You
cold
can
again,
actually freeze too.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Everyone.